Look at you. The current kitchen is old yellow looking, so we decided to do self-renovation with paint and sheet. So many handles we have.
I think we should do this line here. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to put the handles. Actually, looks good.
Put the water.
Half a cup into half a bucket, 5 litres of water.
And water?
Yeah.
How much?
Just fill it right up. Okay.
Sugar salt. Okay. Put the water.
Just water with hot water.
The things you need to prepare is primer, paint, glosses, paint tray, roller, and brush. Before you go for paint, you need to apply primer first.
What a wonderful world.
So we applied one layer of primer. You could not find where we work at, but if you see under, there is a brush mark. Dry time is depends on products, but we dry for overnight to be secure.
What a wonderful world.
After we apply 3 layers of white paint, it comes out clean white color. And then we talk about how we will do with the bench top. Question 1 is, do we put on tile sticker or apply paint? After we discuss, we chose paint because tile sticker is expensive than we thought. Question 2, what color will be good on bench top? In this part, black would be good because bench top can be dirty easily. I couldn't film our process as I feel hard to do, both renovating and video. Anyway, after finishing painting on tile, we put adhesive furniture sheet on bench top. And then put handles, which was taken off at first step. A few months later, Chris changed the water tap. So far is all the process we have done for DIY kitchen renovation.
I'll look around until I